What's up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage. This is Alex with the mustache. We are here going to do a little bit of work on the Subaru. I got some bolts to get out the back and maybe a little welding, but I didn't do the best job on grinding, so Alex doesn't want to weld. And we're also going to show you the new car I bought on Copart.
I don't want to grind. I'll weld it, but he needs to grind it, and it's been like 8 months and he's still not grinded.
I don't like grinding. So we're going to show you the new car I got on Copart, and we're going to show you Alex's new car. So,
and then in the future, I'll make a video of my wife's now like 3-month-old car, but still haven't made the video.
Oh, let's head over to the Copart car. So here's what I got done on the Copart car. I got the fender off and the front bumper, and I still got to get the hood because I need to replace the hood and the hood hinge because that one's bent. So it's a 2010 Ford Fusion. Runs and drives. I drove it in here and off the trailer, and it's the SEL model, so it's fully loaded, leather interior. I've got the gauge clusters all ripped out right now because I was looking at a serial number on it. Man, it's pretty clean too.
Super clean. I don't think it should. I mean, a person was kidnapped it.
Yeah, there is a slight little dent on the side I'm going to try to pop out.
Just have to take your old lady's dildo and whack it on and pull it out. You ever seen them videos before?
Shut up. So now we're going to head over and show you Alex's new car, and he'll tell you about it.
It's got the window wiper heaters there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera.
Ooh. She a clean boy.
Yeah, they did a pretty good job cleaning it up.
So what year is this?
2011. Just an Impreza Outback Sport. Automatic, sadly. Oops. I was having trouble finding a car, so I had to go with an automatic. I only had like a day left and turn my rental in.
Okay guys, we got the 3 bolts on the Subaru's driver's side out. I just have 2 more bolts under there I need to drill out. A little bit of surface rust I need to grind off, and then I'm going to undercoat the car, and then I can start putting things back together. Currently we're trying to get the EVO to run. Alex is thinking about buying it from Josh, so we're going to try to get that to start. We believe the compression is low, so we're going to go rent a compression tester after our pizza gets here, test the compression, and see where it's at.
Alright, so what are we doing now?
We are doing a compression test on the EVO to see why it's not starting. It sounds like it's got low compression, but we're not sure.
We just bought this one. We rented one and didn't have it had one attachment. This one has a bunch of attachments, just don't have a cool case. Pretty nice one. It was on sale for, I think, $10 off.
Go ahead. Stop. 61.
61?
Yep. So as you can see, it's got pretty low compression. We did cylinder 1. We already did cylinder 2, and that had 35 psi. So we're gonna do 3 and 4, even though we don't really need to, because we already know those 2 are super low compression. So it's probably the reason why it's not starting. So guys, we put some oil in the cylinders of the EVO, and it started seeming like it wanted to start, but it just doesn't start.
Yeah, it kept sounding like it was gonna fire, and then it wouldn't. And that it only did that when I was holding the gas down.
So I'm gonna do some more research, see if I can't figure out what's wrong with it, and see if we can't get it to start.
Yeah, I might buy it, but it's kind of scary buying a car that possibly has electrical issues. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy it. I think he wants $15,000 for it.
Go. On that note, Alex is gonna take off. I'm probably not gonna end this video because I'll probably throw some more footage in here.
Yeah, we didn't get any welding done today. We ended up working on the EVO today instead, but I'll be back probably in 4 months.
Yeah, probably. Probably wait till it gets warmer anyways to finish the welding.
Yeah. Well,
I want to try to get the car running before I really focus on the body work too much. So anyways, see you later, Al.
see you.
So I wanted to show you a little bit of update on the Ford Fusion. Got a new fender put on. It's just primered right now. Still need to get a new hood and hood hinges, because as you can see, they're super bent. There's about that big of a gap here, and it overlays on that side quite a bit. So I've decided that's gonna be my new daily driver. So I'm gonna get that finished so I can daily drive it. But I sell the Kia Optima. Not sure if I'm gonna rebuild the engine yet, or just sell it as a rod knock. I'll get rid of the Jeep and then rebuild the Forester for my kind of daily summer car. So I do want to talk a little bit about the EVO. We have found out what we believe could be the issue. The oil is overfilled quite a bit because a ton of gas got put into the oil, so it's extremely overfilled. So I got to get all that drained, get the crank sensor swapped, and then hopefully we can get it to start, get the car running, get it tuned, and get it out of here. So I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Okay. Back up. No.